Seng jong jaidbynriew Sikh na Punjab kilawan wan tuklar biang ya kakam baya dei bat kajing thmu ban pynkynriah ya kilong ying ki Harijan na Them Metor Iew Mawlong bat pynpaw ba kimpat hun satia ya jingtyrwa bala bu da Sorkar Jylla ban pynkynriah ya ki kilong ying ini ki Seng ki dei ka Shiromani Gurdwara Parbandhak committee bat ka safe Shillong Sikh kiba dei na Amritsar Punjab. Kini ki Seng kilawan ban poi Shillong ba iakynduh Iew Chief Secretary ka Jylla Bah D.P.Wahlang ban pynsngew ya kini ka jingbym hun ya ki jingtyrwa hindi ki likan tat pat ban yathu ya ki daw pat kinong rim halor kini ki jingbym hun u convener ka safe Shillong Sikh jakmo han sing ula ong ba ka jingwan tuklar jong ki Sikh na shabar ka Jylla kalong namar ba ki Sikh pasa ha Them Metor ki dei ki nong Punjab ki bla poisa ha Them Metor la arts pas nem minchwa ulo ang badai namar kata baki Seng kla shimkhya ban petlang ya ka bhakamiat jongki hangni
Concerns us because these Sikhs have come 200 years ago from Punjab. Their homeland is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner. It's not fully satisfactory. Therefore, we are raising some concerns, which is under discussion, and I'm sure that we will be able to iron out a good solution.